12:54 a.m. MDT June 9, 2024 overnight. Partly cloudy, with a low around 55. Light south wind. Sunday, a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Partly sunny, with a high near 82. Calm wind becoming east 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning. Sunday night, a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 59. Southeast wind 5 to 9 miles per hour becoming calm after midnight. Winds could gust as high as 15 miles per hour. Monday, a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Mostly cloudy, with a high near 82. Calm wind becoming south-southwest 5 to 7 miles per hour in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 17 miles per hour. Monday night, a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 60. West-southwest wind 3 to 7 miles per hour. Winds could gust as high as 17 miles per hour. Tuesday, a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Mostly sunny, with a high near 84. Tuesday night, mostly clear, with a low around 60. Wednesday, sunny, with a high near 93. Wednesday night, mostly clear, with a low around 63. Thursday, sunny and hot, with a high near 97. Thursday night, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Partly cloudy, with a low around 63. Friday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Partly sunny, with a high near 87. Friday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 60. Saturday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Mostly sunny, with a high near 86.